Alright guys, what's going on? It's Luis here and we are live. So this is the first day of going live. And basically what is this? It's a project where I'm taking $500 trying to turn it into $1 million. So I'm gonna do this anyways in my free time. So I was like, why not? Let me live stream this. Let me make it so that people can watch it. Maybe I wanna watch it back. Maybe I don't know, my kids wanna watch it, or maybe some people just want to learn online marketing and they wanna, I don't know, get another source rather than YouTube videos. They wanna see how long it takes to build a business live, how many errors or how many failures it takes to have something successful. And yeah, basically that's the plan, going live and basically working on the business while we are here. Now again, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I don't know if at the end this is gonna be a successful project, but basically this is what we are doing right now, right? And there are a few rules to this. So trying to take $500, which is our starting budget, turning into $1 million. There are a few rules. We can do everything and anything as long as we do not scam people. That's really important. We cannot scam people. And we can also take a job as long as it requires online marketing. So basically we can get the job in online marketing, take the money from there, invest it, and see how fast can we actually get to $1 million. Now, what else? You're gonna find all the rules, let's say, in the description down below. I'm gonna post also some spreadsheets, some Google Sheets with the ideas that we have, with things that we are gonna do right now and the ideas that we are gonna move forward with. And I'm gonna post the idea, how much it took as an investment, how much money we made. Basically that's the entire point. Another rule is that it has to be profits. So we are not talking about revenue, it's $1 million in profits. So yeah, basically that's the plan right here. That's the plan. We are gonna start building one business after the other, and then at the end we are gonna see exactly where we land. I don't know how long it's gonna take to do this. I don't know what is gonna happen with this project, but I was like, all right, let me just record this. And rather than making like videos with everything that has been going on and having that urge to edit everything and not showing you everything, I was like, all right, let me just go in and start building the businesses. And also what you're gonna see is that you're gonna see exactly how I come with ideas and how I think about them, how I'm using AI right now to help me go through all of this and move faster. And yeah, I think it's going to be really nice for somebody who wants to learn marketing, or at least somebody that wants to see what it takes to build a business. This is what it takes. And what we have here, as I was saying, it's $500, an internet connection, some marketing skills, and a laptop, and that's it. I think that's all you need. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with day one. And as you can see, day one is for AI audio, or selling AI audio, something like this. Let me go to the selling AI songs, actually, that's it. So let's get started. Another thing, while I'm working, usually I'm not talking that much, so I'm gonna try to talk right here and yeah, basically help you understand what's going on and all this. But yeah, basically this is gonna be our dashboard right now. Here, as you can see, we have selling AI songs. We are gonna have a dashboard. We are gonna, I don't know, probably this is gonna change as we go through it, but yeah, this is what we have right now. So we have $500 as an investment, and I'm gonna put everything that that we purchase, that we buy, that we spend. I'm gonna put it there. So investment, and we have money invested, let's say, because investment, we are gonna put there what we invested in. So let's fucking go. Shit, like that. Yeah, so right now probably you are gonna stay live for 1 hour, because after that I have to go to train. But it's really good to just get started, right? So let's see. And as I was saying, we are ready to make money. And the first idea is AI song. So basically what this means is that we have some there is an app that creates AI songs for you, and the songs are really, really, really good. So the idea is, right now, I was thinking about this for a long time. The idea is that we sell this to people for basically for more money. And right now we have the Valentine's Day coming, and then I think this is really good, really, really good um, opportunity basically to sell this to couples. And we are going to create some AI ads as well, because we don't have customers yet, but we have the song. So we are going to create a lot of songs so people can see, okay, this is nice, this is working, this is not a scam. And I believe I was checking some other people who are doing this, because there are a lot apparently of people who are doing this. And our advantage will be that we are gonna have a lot of examples. So, and also we are gonna sell into countries. We are gonna sell in Eastern Europe, and then we are gonna sell in United States or English speaking countries. And for that, I would say let's invest, I don't know, $200 to $300. I think that's a good spot. So that's the first idea. Then the second idea is gonna be doing some affiliate marketing. So we're gonna launch some ads fast. And then the third idea is actually getting a job, because I was talking with somebody and she said that she knew somebody who was getting paid like 20,000 or 19,000, so 19k or 20k for a job in marketing that was kind of remote at Pfizer. And I was like, damn, that's pretty good money for a job. So when I started like 10 years ago, I was like, all right, I won't go to college to learn marketing, because marketing is like super fast and it's outdated, and right now it's even more so. So I was like, I'm gonna learn everything by myself. I never thought actually getting a job that pays me, I don't know, 10k. For me, that was like crazy, even like 2k. In Eastern Europe, where I'm from, is like $2,000 or 2,000 euros. It's a lot of money here for a job. So, with that in mind, that is going to be our next thing, because I believe we can either get like a job or treat it as a project. So if it's a project, it's going to be way easier. And with the things that I'm doing right now and everything that I know and the project that I did, and based on what I was talking with people, like what they do at their job in marketing, this is going to be really easy. So managing a job is going to be like super easy. But yeah, this is it. These are the priorities. But right now, let's focus on the AI song. So let's see what we are going to do. So first, let's ask Claude. Actually, we are going to use Claude to create something for us, right? So I have this. It's Claude. I have the max plan. I gave you some instructions. So also I tried this like 1 month ago, but didn't go through it. So in a way, also this is gonna be something like what's the word? Have lapses. Accountability. It's gonna be like accountability for me. But yeah, let's get started. So let's go. Should we go with code or no? Let's see. Maybe. Let me try something. So also you are not seeing my screen yet, so give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm gonna allow you to see my screen now. You should see it. Why can't you see my screen? Yes, now it should work. Let's see. So we have this. Let's make it a bit bigger. And like that. So let's go, and this, I think it's good enough. And also we're gonna play some music. Let's play this one. So we have a vibe here. Alright, so I think it's good. I see a warning here. I'm not exactly sure what warning I'm seeing. This is my first time streaming as well, so you have to stick with me for a little bit. But everything looks good here. Honestly, everything looks good. So yeah, I don't know, something with the stream bitrate. Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. Anyways, I think it's good. So let's see where we were. Yeah, we were putting some music. Alright, so let's see, we are gonna use Claude for this. Didn't know if we are gonna use the Claude code, or we are gonna use the normal one, but looks good, perfect. So create a plan with all the tasks. Right, let's actually ask Claude to do this. So basically what I have in mind, let's see if this is gonna be what they have in mind as well, or like Claude has in mind, is we are gonna create the plan, and we are gonna have the landing page, we are gonna have the domain, of course, we are gonna have the payment processing, and then right now, even if we don't connect it automatically, so when they buy, nothing happens automatically, we have to do it manually, it's gonna be alright, because it's basically just a plan. And if that works, then we are gonna create everything automated, and we are gonna use a quiz that they are gonna complete, and when the quiz is ready, basically we are gonna send it to Suno, which is gonna be the app that we are gonna use, and they are going to create everything automatically, send us an email, or send it back to the people. But that gets a bit more complicated, I'd say. For the purpose of this video, we are gonna just for testing the idea, we are gonna create it as basic as possible, which means we create the landing page, we put the Stripe integration so they can pay, we get the details so we can create the songs for them, and basically that's it. We are gonna create the ads. So let's go. The task. Another thing, create can follow it and execute. Another thing, create two versions. One that is ready for dry testing, even if we have to do some manual work. On the fulfillment side, and second, the complete one, where we don't touch anything. Let me clarify in questions. Also, this is live streamed, so don't ask any sensitive questions right now. I'll give if you need APIs or login accounts or anything else, you can ask for it, and I'll provide them in a separate file. Assume that I'm basic when it comes to coding. The website is gonna be hosted on Go High Level, most likely. If you don't recommend anything else that doesn't require learning, because for this test we are moving fast. That's the most important thing. include everything from A to Z. A being the idea how to build the website to the ads that we are gonna run. Side note, this is gonna run for, let's go there. Side note, this is gonna run for Valentine's Day mostly, so everything should be on that theme. Ask me clarifying questions. And actually, so basically, as you can see, I take all the ideas that I have in my head, I imagine what is going to be from start to finish, and then I give it to Claude. But actually what I noticed is that my mind is, I'd say it's more creative rather than structured, which means that my ideas are all over the place, right? So sometimes when it comes to the I don't know, just telling the giving the prompt, I don't give necessarily the best prompt. So what I do is actually I go in ChatGPT and then I'm just pasting this, asking them to make it better. So in this case, let's open ChatGPT. Let's go here. I think I should make all these things private, or maybe have another ChatGPT, but yeah, let's start. Put it here. I should have my laptop here, I cannot see. So alright, this is a prompt that I'll give to Claude. Make it better so that it becomes as efficient as possible. Ask me clarifying questions if you need. Claude Code will go ahead and build everything after this. After this, so it should cover everything. Also, if you need Claude to ask me questions, you can put this in the prompt. So let's see. And also I just realized something. I think we can create everything with shouldn't op to plan it directly and then it's gonna execute. Let's see. I just realized that we might actually from any project, but there's a is he gaslighting me? I think Claude wanna gaslight me. Alright. He successfully gaslighted me. Let's see what GPT is saying. Yes, clarifying questions. Shit, long prompt. Alright, let's go with it. Let's start. One offer. What exactly are you selling? AI songs for people in relationships. They are sending us our story through some sort of questionnaire. Then, based on that, we are feeding the data to Suno.com, which will create a song for us. Perfect. That's one. Is the service booking a digital product feasible? This will be a song sent to them via WhatsApp or email. So it's digital. Requires no physical delivery. Perfect. Price point, any bundles. So see, this is exactly, I'm not exactly sure. So important, we are gonna sell into different languages. English, let's see, mostly US, but UK but Canada and UK as well. Australia, I'm not exactly sure if they are that big into Valentine's Day. I have to check because they are different. It's a bit different there. So we have this languages and then Romanian for the Romanian market. First, we build everything for the US and Canada, but if there are important notes that we can use after, so we don't start from the beginning, make sure you point them out. Alright, so that's another thing. Let's do this here. Alright. Price point. I don't know, let's make it cheap or expensive. Let's make it. I have two ideas in mind. One, we can make it cheap, one we can make it expensive, but you know what, let's make it cheap this time. Let's make it, I don't know, $9 or $4.99 per song, or 9 per song, or 27 per song. If you have any recommendation, feel free to let me know. Really don't know, because I'm not sure if once we start running ads, I'm not exactly sure if the cost of the ads is gonna be covered if the song is $4.99. So for example, let's say the cost per click is $3, $4, which is realistic when we start. That means that in order to cover this, if we don't have upsells and we don't sell anything in the back end, which for the moment we don't, then it's not going to be profitable at all. And maybe the volume is going to be way bigger, but we are going to test the $4.99 and 27, and then we are going to have to think what we can sell in the back end. Actually, do you recommend to sell to have as bumps, upsell and backend? Let's see. $4.99. I'm right. Any guarantee? Sure. We offer, I don't even know, 14 days money back guarantee if they don't like the song. United States, US and Canada for now, but check the previous message for more context. Alright. Who is the buyer? This time for Valentine's is gonna be couples, but we are gonna sell it to guys and girls separately, so we can customize the marketing message as demographic. I'm not yet sure. I assume we can go for 25 plus. But I think 25 plus it's alright. But the ads and marketing will be different based on their age. Sure. We are gonna have different pricing options, A/B test, so the income is not necessarily a problem. Alright, and they ask us about bundles or something. Price point. We can offer bundles as well, but paying for don't know if people will buy bundles. Feel free to push back on my responses if you think my assumptions are wrong. If you think they are good, don't push back. But don't try to make me to follow everything I said, even if you think it's a bad idea. Alright. Also, income is not necessarily a problem. Who is the buyer? Any range? Alright. Share tree. What is delivery method? We are gonna deliver it through WhatsApp, email, or email. I think that's the easiest way. It's digital, but it will take 24 hours for the song to arrive. Alright. Not yet. Feel free to offer name options or naming options, brand name options with available domains on godaddy.com. That's where you buy domains, by the way. I didn't answer this. What is the minimum viable manual fulfilling? You can we can doesn't matter how many. I don't know if you see that my screen just changed. I don't think it's visible for you, but became like reddish, like orange, to protect my eyes. But we are gonna destroy our eyes right now for business. We don't have generate it and make sure it's Valentine's Day themed. Right. I'm checking something like views and stuff, because I'm still not sure if this, like, the stream is good or if it's working or everything. But I think it's working, I assume. And I don't know how the voice is, but I guess I'm gonna find out after. So yes, let's see. Right, so let's go back. Generate, make sure it's Valentine's Day themed. We already have 5. Yes. It should be 2 pages. One, the landing page and checkout page. Actually, 2 or 3 pages. Checkout page. The landing page, the checkout page, and then the survey or quiz or whatever. Let's see. Make sure you mention on the first page how easy it will be. Choose the number of songs and then complete the quiz, the form, and then get the song. All right. It's 3 versions of it. Should we offer it like 3 versions? Should we offer a lot? I think yeah. Let's make it as good as possible. No. This will be a digital asset. Stripe from day one. Let's go high level payments. Go high level integrated with Stripe. Yeah, another thing, I know how to use Go high level, so we know how to build on that, which is good. Alright, let's see. 7 ads and channels. Which platform we can run immediately? We are gonna run on Meta. Do you have ad account? I have ad account. That run ads, but not on this niche. Let's go with, I don't know, let's go $20 a day. Sure. Compliance limit. Any claim about teams? No. No and no. Sure, let's see. So as you can see, the preparation, it's a really big part of it. Really takes a lot. I think I should change the background. Yeah, so basically what the only thing that we can do right now is to wait until they give us the answer, and once we have the answer we can continue. And yeah, right now, to be honest, a lot of this building the business, when it's not the creative, maybe even the creative part, I think it feels more like an assembly line where you have the idea and then you use AI to build it. So you have to wait until they give you everything, and then they give you everything, you send it to the other tool, they are doing it, and in the meantime you just have to wait or to do the other tasks that are taking I don't know, that you need to do manually. But another thing, when it comes to creativity, if you want to create the ads yourself and be creative with it, then probably that is gonna take some time. But the way I do it, you can come up with that depending on how much money you have to spend and how much experience you have. You can basically do it, and then once you do it, like you build the ad from zero if you don't have enough money, so but you have the skill, so you spend time doing it, and then you feed it to AI, tell the AI to correct it, to, I don't know, see what's missing, all of that. Or if you have a lot of budget and you don't care and you want to test a lot, basically you just come up with some ideas, tell the AI who's your ideal client, so basically your audience, and based on that ask them to create a lot of different ideas, like iterations of the same ad, same idea, so on and so forth. So yeah, basically that's the way to do it, and it's gonna give you a lot of angles that you can test. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know right now, but I'm pretty sure there are tools where you can test those automatically, so you don't have to take the ads and put them inside the whatever you are, like inside Facebook or Google. Just click a button and they take it from there. Fuck, this streaming thing got me thirsty as fuck. I don't know if I can say these words, but anyways. So yes, we got the plan. Let's get back to work. All right. So, give you a recommend why we need bumps and upsells and backend. Basically, we probably won't make any money with the offer directly. So we spend, I don't know, let's say we spend $100. Probably we won't be on profit or profitable for those $100 that we spend on the front end, meaning like the main offer, which is the AI songs. But if we offer bundles, not bundles but bumps, which means is like before they buy on the checkout page they click something to get something else, that is kind of like complementary with what they are buying, we are gonna increase the AOV, the average order value. And then after they buy, we give them a really good offer, which is an upsell. Like all they have to do is like click a button and they buy it and just gets added to the order. and in the back end is if we sell something else or something more expensive. So that's the way you want to think about business when it comes to online marketing, because it gets really, really hard to be profitable in the front end. Even if you sell whatever, you want to sell more of that thing, because the first thing, like the first offer or like the first product or whatever you're selling, usually it's not profitable. So let's see. Upgrade master prompt. One song, 3 variations, 24 hours. Alright. Let's make the basic plan 48 hours delivery. Add a revision to be honest, I would just offer like unlimited revisions here, because they're gonna like it. Uh, 12 hours and 24 hours and then 12 hours. Yeah, ChatGPT will understand what I'm trying to say. So that's one. Alright, so that is one. Revision pass. I'd offer revisions for all the plans so people don't get worried about the song not being good. Maybe 2 free revisions, but mention that usually it's great from the start. Only 1.7% of people are asking for revisions. Actually, they are really good. I tried them and they are like really good. Alright, if you insist on testing, 949, keep your bumps and upsell strong. But what bumps? There are small yes or no, add priority delivery 6 hours instead of printable PDF, love word, letter lyric sheet, Spotify style cover image, add clean as bump, offer lyric video as well, create a list at the end with all the potential bumps and their prices. So we have video, lyrics, I don't know what else. YouTube hosting plus link, so you can add it to your playlist and it looks like it appear organically. I think that people might like that one. So basically we put it on YouTube. What else? Think we can offer. Alright, so let's see. Then upsell ideas, support, order bumps. Second song for a discount. Bumps, sure. Let's add discount for the songs. This would be upsells actually, sure. I think we can offer the different emotion as we can offer a different emotion as a bump. We can, or we can offer a different emotion with different lyrics. So a different song as an upsell, maybe a pack of them, like funny, romantic, rock, metal, rap, rock, whatever. Actually, I think it's gonna be funny. Add to revision. Upsell too. I agree, but feels a bit expensive. Add 3 revisions for feels a bit expensive. Compared to the song price. My phone is ringing. Let's see. Alright. This becomes your back and what is this? Universal pre-order universal song. Yeah. Upsell 3. Not sure if it's the right time. We can offer them a pack. Can offer them. I think it's becoming too complicated at this point. We can offer that via email. We ask for their birthday and then we offer it. Perfect. Let's see. Also, we can offer something recurring. Think about that as well. So in a way, kind of things the business for me. I just have to give them the whatever the directions. You want something increased left monthly subscriptions, yeah. So basically, one song is based on monthly prompt. No, they already thought about it. I just saw your message and you covered some of these points. Some of the points that I mentioned above. let's see. Fine. And also in the backend we can sell way more things if we get the people. For delivery we can use automations and different platforms to do it automatically in WhatsApp. Great. But email it's good for day one, yeah, sure. We did it. Sure, and then for the landing page, mention that it can improve the current structure. Also, you can improve it and have a nice section of examples. We are gonna post 10 to, let's see, 15 examples on each song, on each genre, each type of song. Rap, rock, etc. Offer a solution. Offer, recommend what types of songs we can create. What types of song we should include for US and Canada. Based on what is the most actually no, so one last thing, no promise it's gonna be a normal song. Let me check some of the things that some of the songs that I created. Where is it? Shit, it's 7. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are using this app like the Sano to create like crazy like songs and stuff, and then there are people who are just like, take this prompt, create songs and share it with other people. And I think it can be used like professionally. I have a friend who created a song that went viral. I think has like millions of streams or like listens on this app. Let me check. I think I have it saved somewhere. I'm waiting for the app to load. Let's see. Yeah, I cannot see it. I don't know. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, let's leave it with no promise. We can take care of this. The one. Add more. Top 15. Yeah, so it was Gen. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Genera. Shit. We should add more. Right, and then one of revisions should position 3 versions included. Yes, 3 versions included, no revisions, only as a add-on. I think actually this is better. Let's see. I'm gonna take a short break and we come back after. You didn't hear. I was saying that I can lift the monitor a bit higher, and we are back. So, keep pushing back. Revisions, you said. The conflicts of revision plus not very revision or revision. If you increase a revision. So let's actually be really nice here. Offer 3 different songs, 3 different versions, and 1 revision. That is it. Alright. Give me 1 second. Alright, so and my revision complete. Yeah, so it's gonna be 1 complete revision. Include minor revision, define it in set revisions. Then sell more revisions as add-ons. Alright, second tier strong, make it super simple. Base, alright. 48 hours delivery. good. We can offer more expensive plans and offer faster delivery, like three songs 24 hours, 5 songs 12 hours, or like, let's put 5 songs and then 10 songs 12 hours. Sure. But I do not deliver separate. So I said expensive plan as well, along with the bumps. Perfect. Example section. This is a big conversion level. Yeah, so basically through all of these ideas, what I was saying when I first had the idea, I was like, alright, so everybody that I was checking, they had a couple of songs and they have ads with all these people like being shocked or whatever. So I think this goes good for old people, right? Because you have old people, they don't necessarily understand it's AI, and it's wow, so, I don't know, romantic, so touching, that you took all this information that I sent you and you gave me back a song that sounds really good. But what I'm thinking is that most people like us, like, I don't know, 20 to 40, they understand that this is AI and they are so used to all of this that it won't matter. I mean, for them it's gonna be like, whatever. So then, rather than trying to push on this marketing or whatever, I was like, alright, if you get on the page that I have, it means that you actually want this. But I don't think like that marketing is gonna go like that crazy. Maybe I'm wrong, so we are gonna try some things. But if you're on the page, what I want you to see is like how good the songs are. So the songs are gonna be the selling point. Is the product, is the selling point, is not the marketing. So that makes things super easy. So that means that we are gonna put a lot of songs there so they can listen to their genre or like their favorite genre, and then say, okay, this is really good, this is really good, I like this, I want something like this, you know. So I think that is gonna be the selling point in our case. The examples. Good songs from each genre. So we're gonna have good songs from each genre they can listen to, and we are gonna put a story behind the songs as well. You can create a tab, you can create a list where they select the genre and then different songs are loaded. I think like 10 to 15 songs. This way the page won't look crowded and they can go directly to what they want to listen to. Perfect. Add the button. Select example. Exactly what I should listen. I should read what they are saying before I write. So you can still fit genre, but do not dump it on the main page, or you'll slow down the page. Pricing position. And also why I'm using ChatGPT is because basically it's like unlimited use or usage, while Claude has limited usage even if you are on the Pro plans or like the Max plan. So basically I can use it as much as possible, helps me correct everything, and then I'm gonna send the last prompt there. Mm. I can still price position. You did not ask. All right, let's stick with that. Also, add other ideas for the bumps. We can have more. You offered some ideas. The video upsell should be how much? Should be pay 49. The lyric video upsell should be between 27 and 49. Maybe they are gonna pay 49. I'm not sure. Luminates. So basically it's the same thing. Recommend buyer facing. Have everything you recommended. Optional acoustic. If you launch a preset. How to package. You mentioned different. That is better as an upsell, not a bump. That's true. Emotions are bigger decisions. Sure, recommend on the survey page. Let them pick the emotion. Me song. Emotional pack. No, right. I agree. Order bumps recommend. Choose one to max. Order bumps recommendation best for video deliver with the sound. Second bump option if you want. Priority delivery. Yeah, sure. The only reason why I agree with the bumps here is because I don't have another good idea right now that might work with this. That would be like really good for this. But yeah, let's see. Because as a bump, I think those are pretty good. I don't have something that can not only compete but be at the same level. No, let's put upsell 1, emotional pack, upsell 2, more songs. Upsell 3, revision. I think this is too much already, but it's good. Include one revision. One revision, one complete revision should be offered with everything. With every pack. Yeah, I said that before, but back and offer. You already agree. Here is a clean backend path. cover art as a bump as well for $19. Yes. Sure. YouTube link for 7. Sure, but let's add this for not 4 but for 9. So let's see, emotional pack. I think we have too many bumps. Cover art, that's a good bump. YouTube link, okay. Add only the cover art as bump. The rest seem to be too much. Yes. Let's see. So weird to talk about. I don't know, I feel like it feels weird to talk out loud what I have in my mind, because usually I'm just working by myself and I'm quite quiet, not even listening to music that much. To music, yeah, let's say, but then kind of explaining everything and I don't know, just vocalizing my thought process, and then trying to do this in English as well and try to speak well so people can understand. It's interesting. But also it's interesting because I can track differently how much time it takes for this to work. Because for example, right now I cannot go and build the ads because this is gonna take a few seconds, and if I switch to creative work, it's gonna be totally different than now. So yeah, cannot. It has to be, at least in my mind, has to be kind of like separated. And then I should give another prompt. To create 2 sets of tasks, one for me and one that tasks in the plan. One for me, one for Claude, and if Claude needs anything before moving forward, it should ask for it in the task. Yeah, so basically I think this is it to kind of build a business right now. You don't have to know how to code the website. You basically need some basic information, and I think it's quite easy to launch this. I am not sure how. I don't know how, or I'm not sure how profitable this is gonna be and how it's gonna turn in the end, but launching the thing, it's really easy. And I think it goes quite fast. Not as fast as I would like, as I want just to think about it and then have it already launched, but still fast. Alright, plan. Share the entire prompt again, focusing on the US and Canada first. We can leave Romania after. I don't know if you can hear the songs or the music, but it's interesting to code work while talking and listening to music. But yeah, this is it. Let's see. But still giving me content. Yeah, that's it. I'm really curious. So I have this idea for like 2-3 months maybe, and these live streams that I decided to start, I'm really curious if it's gonna turn into something, if people are gonna look at it. But for me at least, it's better, because sometimes I get bored while working, and it's like, I don't know, having something, not something or somebody, because basically I'm talking by myself, but just talking, I think, takes me out of my mind and allows me to, I don't know, be more, I don't know, engage with the work in a way. Because sometimes it feels weird just to stay there and do stuff. And as I was saying, it's like, have so many ideas, and this is gonna be like an accountability thing. And imagine like we get $1 million in like 2 months, 3 months. It's just like crazy, and it's gonna be so nice. And the end, when we get to that amount, and then we look back, well, yeah, this was it, or this wasn't it, and check how many things we tried, and actually what it took to get to that. So I think it's gonna be really interesting. I'm kind of excited for this. Alright, let's check the prompt. Actually, let's... Wait a second. So basically what I did, check this. Open another ChatGPT, send to check the prompt. And one change, let's see. First implementation, reality check on some things you're asking. Clarify what sales purchase must implement means. Interesting, yeah, some things that are actually on point. I don't agree with a couple of things already writing the prompt, but already right for so I agree if something is not easy to implement on Go high level. You can change it, but it must give clear instructions for somebody who doesn't know how to code, on how to implement the clear instructions, easy to follow for someone who doesn't know how to code, should be one of the most important parts. Must implement post-purchase. 3 bumps. What do we have? Video lyrics. What we had video lyrics. Fuck, I forgot. Yeah, so we had video lyrics, art, cover, and YouTube hosting. Did we had anything else? I think we had something else. Message card. Was it that? Message card. Those are bumps. Upsell 1, emotion pack, upsell 2. Should we sell more songs? No. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna test this. I'm not that sure yet. Upsell 3, revision pack. Revision means they can change everything besides the gen and emotion, because we are offering that as upsells. What else did they had? Force implementation, clarify upsell, post purchase, pages. Don't have can create the pages. Ask to recommend where we should host the website, if not in Go high level, for ease of implementation for somebody who doesn't know much about coding and all this stuff. Yeah, basically I'm curious. I think they are gonna recommend something not Go high level, because every time that I do this on Go high level I'm using like HTML block, but that works funny in some ways, so, or sometimes, so yeah, let's see. Can create its own assets or ask me before they start, before it starts. Fine. Then don't add anything meta compliance. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Besides that, follow your recommendations. Let's see. Building the prompt again. After this I have to run. I have to train like 30 minutes. But let's see if we get the last prompt, and we are gonna feed this to Claude, and then we are gonna see if it's working or not. Give you an update, clear step instructions, roll. So this thing good, but ask first if it recommends something else, then go high level for this. Maybe it's easier and the learning curve does easier and we can implement it. Because again, I think they are gonna recommend something else, and if it's really easy, really simple, and it's like just basic stuff, we can do it. Let's forget about WhatsApp automation. And then one version per song, 3 versions per song. Per song, yes. Not sure yet. Make a good offer based on the initial price, which will be, let's start with 9. Shit, $9 or $12 for, no, let's put it 15 for 12 hours, for 24 hours. Right, what are the delivery everywhere? Anything else you need from me? Guys, I have to go. Basically, shit, 1 hour and 30 already. 40 actually. So yeah, I have to go, but yeah, basically what we've done so far, we have the structure, we are creating the prompt. Basically the entire plan is going to be created, or the prompt for the entire plan is going to be created. we take this, we put it on Cloud Code, and then we are gonna receive basically or hopefully the landing page. Everything is gonna get connected to the Stripe, and we can go ahead and create the ads. And after that, we can put them in the we can put the ads inside the business manager, basically on Facebook, on Meta, and start running ads. Or we can create content with it and start running ads, and then we can see basically results. And we have probably like 2 days to do this, because the Valentine's Day is right here. So yeah, basically that's it for now. This is the progress that we made in like 1 hour and 40. To be honest, didn't look like much, because we just went back and forth with the AI, but I think this is a lot, because once we create the prompt basically and we nail it down and we send it to Claude, everything is gonna start to be built. And once that starts, we are basically, the progress is gonna go from what it feels like, I don't know, 10% to like 80 to 90%, like just like that. And the only thing that is gonna be left is gonna be the ads and the marketing. So yeah, basically that's it for now. I have to go, but yeah, we are gonna see each other tomorrow, probably today, because it's a bit late. Tomorrow, where we continue with this and we build some fucking businesses and make some fucking money. Let's see. So this is the road from 500 to 1 million. First stream, first day, and yeah, let's fucking go.